this goes right here. Wow, that fitment's actually really freaking nice. Look at that. So with the 3M on, you don't see any red showing up, so it's exactly what I want. Really good fitment. I'm really surprised. Wow. Oof. Damn, that looks mean. Now we're going to the other side. The same thing I did on that side, on this side, and this fitment's actually a little bit better because you see almost no red right there. But when I did it on this side, I guess I didn't push it all the way in, so there's a tiny little, you can't really see it unless you really walk up to it, but damn, the car looks insane. I think I might have a carbon fiber addiction. I have almost my whole front in carbon fiber mirrors, roof, full interior, exhaust pipes, spoiler, and diffuser that's coming in. So everything is pretty much carbon fiber. Maybe one day I'll turn this whole car carbon fiber, but I don't know if I'll keep it that long, so we'll see. But I'm definitely stoked with how this looks. Once I get the front lip, the front will be complete, then I'm going to focus on the side skirts.
Several days later.
So today we're going to be installing this lip on the M4. And I'm going to be plasti dipping the lip. I was going to paint it gloss black, but since it's so flexible, I think it's just going to crack from the paint. So right now I'm going to cut off these little side tabs underneath the car. Here, let me show you these pieces because they're in the way. You have to cut all of that off. Damn. That should be fun. Who?
Or not?
Who you asking?
Who? Do I want to get chicky? Winning no matter what. Slide. I know my piece. Lip is done. So now we gotta just drill it all in. It's ready to go.
Yeah.
What do you guys think of the mod? Good? Bad?
Dude, I'm about to buy a GoPro, honestly. Look at this. This angle is so good.
Oh no, it don't fit.
That's what she said. Don't fit.
Motherfucker. Is it on?
It's on.
Mr. Meow Meow, how you doing? Alright, almost done with the lip. A few more nuts to go. Good.
Yeah, let me see it. Alrighty. So check this out. People usually cut this part, but I left it on. Instead of cutting it, I put the lip underneath it. And it actually fit, like the pre-drilled holes that the eBay lip comes with, they fit on the stock ones, so it's like perfect fitment, I would say. I did add a little bit of screw so it doesn't sag, But overall, this thing looking fucking awesome. So I already scraped. Nice. It's just the perfect amount of low. Yep. I will not be getting out of my driveway. Even though I'm not even that low. Damn. At least it looks good. One side's good, the other's really low. Because of my stupid driver, but damn. Can't even... Nothing. Not even a leaf. Shit. Damn, it looks good. I guess time will tell if it bends or anything, but the fitment is really good and the whole front just looks awesome. I left it black. I could have wrapped it in carbon fiber, but I left it black to match the grille. I really like how the grille looks, all gloss black, and I kind of didn't want to have too much carbon fiber in the front and having the lip like just be different, so everything blends in. But basically the lip and the grills go together, and then the carbon fiber fangs right here and the splitters go together. Now the only thing that's left is getting the side skirts, which I will order probably later today or within this week, so we'll see how it goes. But car's coming out really good. I'm extremely happy with the lip kit. I'll leave a link in the description below where to buy this from, because if you have a low F80, F82, get a lip like this. Carbon fiber looks better, of course, but you're going to be going through carbon fiber lips like every couple months, and they're not cheap, they're expensive. This was $100 and a carbon fiber lip is triple that. Just try to get it on there, but it was kind of cool. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but all of the screws right here, I actually put a screw, one here, one on the bottom, 3 in the middle I think, or 2, and 2 on the other side, so it's nice and flush. And basically where the old holes were for the bumper and the skid plate to basically connect, it fit. Like where they had the cutouts was exactly the same. So basically OEM cutouts fit with the same OEM screws. It's on there so well, which is awesome. So really stoked on this look, and just in time for the cruise this Sunday. So pretty stoked on that, very happy with it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this install. Please subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.